Okay, it's time for the first item of the month. And before I start, there has been complaints of not getting one item from this. So yeah. Uh, Let me open it. Okay. Now, there has been one complaint of not getting this. But yeah, this is the non monofilament whatever. This is a minor surgery kit. It's a replica course. Um, so yeah. I get it open. Alright. Now, since I'm pretty much a survival type medic, you know? Now, yeah, the pin to shine in people's eye, um, people complain that this didn't come with this. So, yeah, here's a little surgery bag because I'm going to keep all the stuff in here. It comes with antiseptic, towelettes. Now, it should come with iodine tablets, iodine things too, which I will get. It comes with little surgical. Actually, let's see what all it comes with. I have like 1,000 of these, so it's like it comes with 3 of these, which I got like 1,000 of these anyway. Comes with 2. No, it comes with 3. I'm assured surgical blades. Thanks for suturing, of course. I do know one thing though, that the blades are actually, or they should be anyway, they should be gamma radiation purified or not or whatever you. So yeah, I don't remember which company this is with, but oh hey, there's a little spacer here for this. Good. But yeah, this is actually a replica or repo. Let's just say. That should I do? Wait, no, no, it doesn't. Okay. But yeah, there's different surgical stuff and yeah, it's for minor surgeries, as you can tell. It's a surgical instrument kit, minor surgery, and it is a repro, I believe. This is for uh, survival and for prepping, because yeah, you see, for minor surgeries. So yeah, it's the first thing for the month. Uh, yeah, pretty cool. Comes with a thing you put on a bag, or put on whatever, like a molly pack, or whatever. Anyway, that's a little glance. And yeah, anyway, see what it says on here. ASA Techmed Inc. Yeah, the biggest complaint about it was this didn't come with any of this business. So yeah. Anyway, hope y'all liked it. Peace.